Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick things off talking about Massy Holdings Limited. They're getting more busy with their corporate action items here. Final dividend consideration. The board of directors of Massy intends to consider a final dividend at their meeting scheduled for November 23rd, 2022. It should be a good one. Next up, we got QWI Investments Limited. They came out with their earnings recently. They weren't too hot, they weren't too good, but they keep pushing updated net asset value here. That's the NAV, not the market price for QWI Investments. As of November 11th, 2022, QWI's net asset value per share was Jamaican $1.18. Now the earnings reports, they keep coming in hot and heavy to jamstockx.com, JSE. It's that time of the year, an exciting period. Kingston Wharves Limited, KW ticker symbol, continues to rule. Q3 earnings improved by 7%. They reported net profit $836.7 million for the third quarter. They are approaching that milestone mark of almost $1 billion Jamaican for a quarter. It's versus 778 million in the previous year's quarter. Earnings per share, 57.3 cents, improving from 53.4 cents year over year. And they reported revenue of 2.44 billion. This is the third quarter ended September 30th. That takes us to Spur Spices Jamaica. The third quarter softening here a bit, but the year to date still performs well for Spur. Softening in terms of the revenue tapering off 233 million or so versus 247 million. They've been doing deals, they've been doing mergers and acquisitions. It really looked good in the first quarter, second quarter, but we're seeing a little bit of softening here in the third quarter. We're going to wait to see what the fourth quarter brings. Bottom line here, net profit for the quarter though, the bottom line, which is important, did improve despite the revenue to 29.3 million versus 25.6 million year over year. And the year to date, 9 months, they hit revenues 672 million and net profit respectively 118.6 million. So look at that year to date number, and that's EPS, earnings per share, of 7 cents. Last up tonight, we got general insurance company IronRock demonstrating growth here in their third quarter. That's the 3 months ended as well, September 30th. Gross premiums jumping 265 million versus 209.3 million. Year over year growth there, 27%. Net profit for the quarter, important number. We love that on Business Live. 13.4 million versus a net loss in the previous year's quarter, 6.04 million. And shareholders' equity closed the quarter at 608 million. Have a great evening and a fantastic weekend. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.